Levoit's Core series offers some of the best air purifiers we've tested so far. However, as Levoit started expanding its vinyl series, and we have already tried all the new releases, this is an ideal opportunity to compare the latest Levoit Vinyl 200S and the Levoit Core 400S. We'll compare their performance, noise levels, and power usage to determine which one is a better buying option. But before we get started, press the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Both the Levoit Vinyl 200S and Core 400S are medium-sized air purifiers with large coverage, impressive features, and exceptional filtration technology. The Levoit Vinyl 200S covers rooms of 380 square feet, while the Core 400S covers slightly larger rooms of 403 square feet. They both effectively clean the air 4.8 times in 1 hour within their recommended room size. Both units have an air quality sensor, air quality indicator, auto mode, sleep mode, and many other features. The Levoit Vinyl 200S uses an infrared air quality sensor, while the Core 400S uses a more advanced laser particle sensor. Also, we really like the handy VSync app, which opens many additional features for both devices. Moreover, they both can be voice controlled. All in all, there aren't many differences in terms of features. You can find more details on these two air purifiers at airpurifierfirst.com. Both units use a 3-stage filtration technology, but there are some minor differences in the pre-filter, which is the first filtration layer. The Core 400S uses a nylon mesh pre-filter that is attached to the true HEPA filter. In contrast, the Levoit Vinyl 200S uses a more advanced filter that resembles mosquito mesh, designed to easily capture pet hair and other large particles. This pre-filter is washable, permanent, and easy to clean. The second filtration stage in both models features Levoit's high-efficiency true HEPA filter, capable of removing 99.97% of airborne particles as small as 0.3 microns in size. The final filtration stage is a pellet-based carbon filter that neutralizes unpleasant odors. Both air purifiers use high-quality filtration technology, providing outstanding performance and having long-lasting filters. However, we prefer the Levoit Vinyl 200S filter slightly more, giving it a slight advantage, mainly due to its outstanding pre-filter. You can find more information on filtration at airpurifierfirst.com. Air purifiers can be loud devices, so the noise level is a crucial factor for many people when making a buying decision. After successfully testing and comparing noise levels at all speeds, we concluded that the Levoit Core 400S is slightly quieter than the Levoit Vinyl 200S. Both units work quietly at their lowest speed, with the Levoit Vinyl 200S producing a sound of 41.0 dBA, and the Core 400S producing 42.1 dBA. However, there's a slight difference in noise levels at their maximum speed. The Levoit Vinyl 200S produces a sound of 62.2 dBA, while the Core 400S produces 59.9 dBA. It's also worth noting that the sleep mode on both is incredibly quiet, making them ideal for bedroom usage. These two air purifiers are not huge power consumers. However, the Levoit Vinyl 200S has a 50-watt motor, which is unexpectedly larger than the 38-watt motor of the Core 400S. Let's assume you use both of these air purifiers 24 hours a day for 1 month at their maximum speeds. In that case, your electrical bill would increase by approximately $4.20 in the case of the Levoit Vinyl 200S and about $3 in the case of the Core 400S. In addition to power usage, there's also the cost of replacement filters, which is roughly the same for both devices. Furthermore, the filters in both units have a similar lifespan. Overall, we can say that the Levoit Vinyl 200S is just slightly more expensive in regards to maintenance. These air purifiers cover almost identical room sizes, which makes performance testing much easier. We conducted separate tests on both air purifiers, but under nearly identical conditions, and in the same room sizes. In the first test in a 320 square foot room, both the Levoit Vital 200S and Core 400S significantly improved the air quality by an impressive 96% in just 60 minutes while operating at maximum speed. In the second test, in a room slightly larger than the recommended size, the Levoit Vital 200S achieved a 1 percentage point better result by enhancing the air quality by approximately 92%. Both models also demonstrated excellent performance in neutralizing unpleasant odors, likely due to their high-quality, pellet-based carbon filters. All in all, they both delivered outstanding performances, making them some of the best air purifiers we have tested. In the following seconds, you'll see which one removes the smoke from the smoke box faster. Overall, this was a tight battle between two air purifiers with very similar specifications, prices, features, and performance. While both units justified their name, the Levoit Vital 200S offers slightly more, making it our winner and the clear buying recommendation, particularly for pet owners, thanks to its improved pre-filter, which is both permanent and easy to clean. If you have any questions about these two air purifiers, please leave a comment below the video. You can find all the links in the video description. If you enjoyed this comparison, please give it a like and click subscribe. That's it for now.